Want to increase the visibility of your brand? Straight fabric stand is the best. This kit includes a lot of pole extensions, so before installation it is better to place all the things in order. Install all pole extensions together to make 4 pairs of long poles and make sure all the snap buttons slide to their places. Lay out the 4 poles to make a square shape and please ensure that the width is longer than the height. Then insert the feet to the L-shaped poles. Connect the 4 long poles together by curved and L-shaped poles to make a square frame. Wear the graphic to the frame. To fully and snugly fit the frame, the fabric may be a little tight, so please pull the fabric slowly. After all the steps are completed, we can start showcasing.